Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how I trim my hair by myself and how I afterwards style it. So we're going right in. First off, I start by measuring where I want my layers to be. So I pick the point of my eyebrow and then I just section my hair from there. And then do it on both sides. Afterwards you can always do a little bit shorter layers in the front, but this is just how I want it to be. And beforehand, I would like to apologize if the sound is a bit off or weird or scratchy because I don't have a proper microphone just yet. So I'm just recording this on my computer, so I hope it will be fine. And also, if I mess up with some words or anything like that, I'm not used to be talking English like this. So yeah, but I wanted everyone to be able to understand and see the videos, so I just chose to try and do it in English, and we will see how it goes. So I'm about to be ready to start cutting my hair. I'm not a hairdresser or anything like that. I'm just cut my hair after what I think and have experience looks nice. So the thing I do is that I kind of cut my hair by each curl. So I look at each curl and see if it looks a bit stringy or anything like that, and then I would just cut the end of it. I won't cut my whole hair, like just do a straight line and just cut from there. I would look at each curl and see, okay, does this need a little bit extra love, a little bit extra something, and then I'll just cut the end off, and also to get the proper form right. So if there is any hair strings, anything like that that looks a bit off, I will just cut it off as well to make sure that the overall form is nice. So actually there's not more than that to it. I will just look at each hair, each curl, and just cut a bit off. Also now I just want to trim it a bit to make sure that it looks healthy. So I'm not going for a big change. I just want the hair to grow out healthier. So I really want to get a bit longer hair, and you could go without cutting your hair for a few months or anything like that, but then it probably won't be as healthy when you finally have grown it long. So I would just trim it a little every 2 or 3 months. Also, by doing it in this way, you can see it goes quite easily, so it doesn't really require a lot of work. You can easily do it on a Sunday or Saturday or right before you're washing your hair. Also, I will be styling my hair after this. So it's just like second day, third day curly girl hair. Also now I'm moving upwards to my upper layers. I will make sure to go a bit downwards when I cut my hair like this, because I want the hair to be a bit shorter in the front and then a bit longer. So I will cut it a bit downwards. So I have finished cutting it. I will trim it a bit more when I have washed the hair and I'm more able to see how the curls looks afterwards. But I will just go and wash my hair real quick, and I will be back to start it. So I will just brush my hair, and I always use a comb with a white tooth. That word. But yeah, I will always use that, and beforehand I will make sure to finger brush my hair in the shower too, so it's easier to brush. I will split my hair in small sections to make sure that I spread the hair products evenly. The first hair product I will start with is the Innersense Quiet Calm Control. It's a thicker curled cream, and I will just make sure to just use a little, as it is quite thick and I don't want my hair to be weighted down. I will apply the product in my hair by using praying hands, so I won't start scrunching my hair just yet. I will just make sure to really get it into my hair and make the base great before I'm going in with a gel that is more of a setting product. While I'm doing this, there's always hair everywhere. I had some hair stuck to my face that you could see, but the next product I will apply is the Ecoslay Orange Marmalade. It is quite well known in the curly community, and I really wanted to try it out myself too. And I've heard that it gives quite a hard cast into the hair. I have used it a bit for refreshing, but I haven't used it straight out of the shower. It doesn't really have any strong smell. It doesn't smell like oranges, but it is quite thick, and you can already feel when you apply that it kinda gathers the hair in small clumps. This time I will really make sure to scrunch my hair to get as much texture as possible and to get my curls as defined as possible. After I have applied the products, I will just let my hair air dry, and I will be back when it's fully dried. So when your hair has fully dried, it is supposed to feel really stiff and kind of have a hard cast around it, and I will just break the cast by scrunching. And this time it was quite hard to break the cast as the orange marmalade really stiffened your hair, so I just used my microfiber towel to help me doing so. So after I have scrunched my hair and it now feels super soft, I will go in with the scissor and just shaping my hair a bit more and see if there's any straight ends that I want to cut out, or if there is any loose ends that is kind of disrupting the shape of my hair. So this is my final look, and as you can see, my hair is super glossy and the curls are well defined. I hope you liked this, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment.